I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside our green white green country wey be Nigeria. Once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates, we don't come with report wey I go like share give the general public and the cocoa now about the things and things wey dey happen for inside Edo State. You know, say the chairman of the People's Democratic Party for inside Edo State, and this man they go by the name Dr. Tony Azegbemi. He now don come outside the express confidence say the governorship election petitions tribunal wey dey for inside Abuja go last right the wrong, and they go last return the duly given mandate to the People's Democratic Party and their candidate to be Dr. Asue Ighodalo. Oga Tony Azegbemi now dey yarn say Edo State people have been put through unprecedented distress and chaos in the past 3 months wey Governor Monday Okpebholo and the All Progressive Congress dey hold power. They rule with a mandate wey him wey be Tony Azegbemi dey claim say na illegitimate mandate. And during one news conference wey happen for inside Edo State, Benin City on Monday wey be the 10th day of March, Oga Tony Azegbemi come dey yarn say last good governance go come for inside Edo State, and person go deliver the good governance na the People's Democratic Party, their candidate to be Asue Ighodalo. And no be lie, my good people. You know, say on Sunday, the governor of Edo State to be Monday Okpebholo for one statement by his chief press secretary, he be the yab the leaders of the People's Democratic Party for inside Edo State. This man use English finish PDP. This man just calm down like this, put PDP for inside fry pan, put the fry pan on top fire. The governor of Edo State, they describe the People's Democratic Party as a party wey dey sick and a day on life support. And then say the chieftains of the People's Democratic Party, that is the leaders them, they grasp for relevance. They just dey talk the things wey they guys talk so that men go know say yes, PDP still dey for inside Edo State. Meanwhile, they know very well say they no get relevance again, and their party dey on life support. But however, my good people, we come back see with the People's Democratic Party, they just dust their ear like say they no even hear wetin the Edo State governor talk at all. They can't pretend as if all the talk wey dem talk, it no even bother them, because the Edo State chairman of the People's Democratic Party didn't even respond onto the matter. But this man come dey yarn say based on say they don't adopt their final written addresses following the watertight documentary evidence wey dem present for the tribunal. Them now they believe say they don't expose the electoral heist wey happen on the 21st day of September 2024, and they are very much confident say the tribunal go right the wrong. He say after the adoption of their written addresses, Comrade Adams Oshomole and the chairman of the Edo State All Progressive Congress, Jarat Tenebe, in separate television interviews, they come begin go the yarn. Say the People's Democratic Party just go dump documents for the tribunal without presenting enough witnesses them. But them will be the People's Democratic Party, they don't talk am before and they go talk am again. The All Progressive Congress, their leadership, they lack the acumen to read and understand their petition. Now the members of the tribunal will possess the expertise, now get the acumen to thoroughly examine and understand their petition, not the leadership of the All Progressive Congress. The chairman of the People's Democratic Party Edo State chapter will be Dr. Tony Azegbemi Constant proceed further the yarn. Say the primary responsibility of any government was to protect the lives and properties of residents. But the Monday Okpebholo administration don't fail to do all those levels since the man entered power for the 12th day of November 2024. He said in the past 2 weeks now, no fewer than 35 innocent Edo State people don't brutally bear RIP. And many other people now don't sustain better injury. Properties worth millions of nairas have been destroyed. And currently the Edo State people are under siege. And all this level self was very much acknowledged by the political ally of Senator Monday Okpebholo. Oga Tony Coste let the general public they know say Senator Adams Oshomole, during his public outcry on the floor of the Nigerian Senate for inside Abuja, him dey lament about the insecurity palava wey don dey worst for inside Edo State under the watch of the governor wey be Monday Okpebholo. Oga Tony Coste dey yarn say from Edo South to Edo Central to Edo North, RIPs everywhere, violent attacks everywhere. The thing now don become normal thing for inside Edo State, and normally those kind levels e no make sense at all at all. Edo State wey be say the former administration led by Godwin Obaseki bin don reposition, bin don set in place, bin don arrange as Nigeria's safest place to live and do business. Now e don turn another thing, e don become unsafe, e don gain a notorious reputation as the Nigeria's capital of kidnapping and violent crimes, as kidnappers and other criminals now don dey see am as safe haven. Many jaguar men now don dey see Edo State as where they go fit come dey, come hide and nothing go happen. The Edo State People's Democratic Party come still dey yarn say the transportation employees and employers for inside Edo State now, they don see their lives turn into a living hell by thugs and hoodlums wey dey harass, wey dey intimidate and wey dey demand unlawful levies under the veiled protection of the administration of Monday Okpebholo. Dr. Tony Azegbemi now just dey point out everything wey don go wrong for the 3 months wey Monday Okpebholo enter office as governor. Dr. Tony Azegbemi now just dey point out all the levels, all the things and things wey don go wrong since Monday Okpebholo enter office as Edo State. And he now dey yarn say e no nice at all at all. But however, my good people, im dey assure the Edo State people make dem no just worry at all. Say the Edo State Governorship Petition Tribunal go soon do the needful. But however, my good people, I believe say men now they go don dey ask theirself or their next man, say what if the tribunal come last job order or come last yarn say na Monday Okpebholo, the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, na true win the election. The People's Democratic Party and their candidates sure say these men now they go take this judgment lightly. This one wey now they don dey boga, this one wey they don dey show confidence, say yes, the tribunal go give them mandate, the tribunal go do those level, the tribunal go do that level. Make e no be say they don dey count their jaspers before they hatch. Make e no be say they don dey test the depth of an ocean with their 2 legs, because normally those kind levels e no make sense. They go regret am no be small. This my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the matter be for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be a reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update and you could like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news, give your family and friends, make them too know wetin dey happen for we nation Nigeria. Meanwhile, me dey come back again with more news for you, my good people. No go anywhere.